the Brutal Speed and Tuning 6L80 differential brace for a C6 Corvette. I'm going to do a short little video to show you how to install this. I had a few people ask me like which way it goes. And so first off, there's a little spacer, goes on the passenger side. The longer bracket is the passenger side. Shorter bracket is the driver's side. These go up to, I guess, what would be the bell housing bolts, but you know, where torque goes to the torque tube on the top. So I already have this transmission out. I'm swapping transmissions. You can do it in the car or out of the car. It's easier if it's out of the car, but it doesn't really matter. It takes about an hour and a half to do if it's in the car. So first you gotta take off the 3 10mm bolts where it's gonna bolt up. So we have these 3 right here. They're 10mm. And then 3 on the other side. If you just look at the bracket, you'll see where they go. So you see these will go here. And the driver's side, same thing. It's pretty straightforward. This goes up here. So when you go to put it on, just get everything so it's loose. That way it can slide right on. I like to get the bolts lined up some. Or get the bolts going, then tighten everything up. And the bars, you know, they're adjustable or whatever, but they should be just where it's snug on everything. There's no room or anything. It's nice and tight, doesn't move. And then these 2, those go into the torque tube. So you can't really do that out of the car. But pretty simple to do in or out of the car. I think it's easiest if you're doing like a converter or something, or doing a gear change while the transmission's out, go ahead and toss one on. The purpose of this is we've had these ears break off. So when all this is held together, there's not the flexation or flexing, whatever the word is, of everything. So the bars keep everything stiff. Haven't seen one break yet with this brace. Had a few break without it, so I've had this one going on 4 years now, and it's done 3 years of worth of low 1.360 foots, like 1.31s, 1.32s. Nigel's car also had one. Same thing, low 1.360 foots, doing wheelies. Broke a couple diffs, did the brace, never broke a diff again.